Hey beautiful people, welcome back to the channel. If this is your first time here, I share natural skincare remedies, beauty hacks and easy routines that keep your skin glowing without breaking the bank. So if you want healthy radiant skin, hit that subscribe button and give this video a big thumbs up. Now let me ask you something. Did you know that one of the most powerful skincare ingredients is sitting in your fridge right now? Yes, it's the humble egg. In today's video, we are going to talk about the importance of using eggs on your skin, the difference between egg whites and egg yolks, the science behind why they work, and of course, I will show you step-by-step ways to use eggs for glowing, firm, and healthy skin. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to use eggs for your skin type, whether you are battling acne, dryness or dullness. So let's crack right into it. Why eggs are a skincare superfood? Eggs are often called a superfood because they are packed with nutrients that support the body. But those same nutrients also have topical benefits for the skin. Think of it as feeding your skin from the outside in. Eggs contains proteins, vitamins, minerals, and natural fats that helps with firmness, hydration, pore tightening, oil control, and even anti-aging. But here's where it gets really interesting. The egg whites and egg yolks each have their own unique sets of benefits. Let's break them down. Egg whites, nature's firming and oil control remedy. First up, egg whites. The clear part of the egg may look simple, but it's actually a skincare powerhouse. Here is why. 1. Protein for firming and repair. Egg whites are over 90% water and protein. When applied to the skin, the protein molecules form a thin film that tightens as it dries. That's why an egg white mask makes your face feel tight. It's literally lifting and firming your skin. This can temporarily reduce the appearance of fine lines, giving you that smoother look instantly. Two, pore tightening. One of the biggest struggles for many of us is enlarged pores. Egg whites acts like a natural astringent, tightening the skin and minimizing the appearance of pores over time. This can make your skin look more refined and even. 3. Oil control and acne prevention. If you have oily or acne-prone skin, listen up. Egg whites help absorb excess sebum, that's the oil your skin produces. By reducing oil, they lower the chance of clogged pores, which means fewer pimples and blackheads. Mild exfoliation. When used with ingredients like lemon juice, egg whites help gently exfoliate dead skin cells, revealing fresher, brighter skin underneath. In short, egg whites are perfect for people who want firmer, smoother, less oily skin. They are like a natural skin toner and lifting treatment in one. Egg yolks, the hydration and anti-aging booster. Now let's talk about the golden part of the egg, the egg yolk. Unlike egg whites, yolks are rich, creamy and loaded with good fats, vitamins and antioxidants. This makes them perfect for dry, dull or aging skin. Here's why egg yolks deserve a place in your skincare. 1. Deep moisture and nourishment. Egg yolks contain healthy fats that act like a natural moisturizer. When applied, they help restore your skin barrier, keeping your skin soft and supple. If your skin ever feels tight, flaky or rough, an egg yolk mask can be a game changer. 2. Vitamins that heals and protects. Vitamin A supports skin cells turnover, helping repair damaged skin. Vitamin D plays a role in skin healing and rejuvenation. Vitamin E, a powerful antioxidant that fights free radicals, protecting your skin from aging caused by pollution and UV damage. 3. Collagen and elasticity support. The yolk also contains cholesterol and lecithin, which improves skin elasticity. This helps your skin stay plump and youthful. 4. Brightening and evening skin tone. The nutrients in egg yolks also boost skin radiance, making your complexion look healthier and more even. In short, egg yolks are ideal for anyone with dry, mature or sensitive skin. They hydrate, protect and fight early signs of aging. DIY egg marks for every skin type. Okay, now that you know the difference between egg whites and yolks, let's look at some DIY egg face masks you can try at home for different skin concerns. 1. Priming egg white mask for oily or aging skin. Separate one egg white, whisk until frothy. Apply a thin layer to your face. Leave for 10 to 15 minutes, then rinse. Benefit: tightens, firms, shrink pores, controls oil. 2. Moisturizing egg yolk and honey mask for dry skin. Mix 1 egg yolk with 1 teaspoon honey. Apply all over your face. Leave for 15 minutes. Rinse with cool water. Benefits: deep hydration, nourishment, smoother skin. 3. Egg white and lemon mask for acne-prone skin. Mix 1 egg white with a few drops of lemon juice. Apply to oily or acne-prone areas. Leave for 10 minutes, then rinse. Benefit: reduces oils, fights acne-causing bacteria, brightens skin. 4. Egg yolk and olive oil for anti-aging and glow. Mix 1 egg yolk with 1 tablespoon olive oil. Apply and let it sit for 15 minutes. Wash off with lukewarm water. Benefits: boosts elasticity, reduces fine lines and restores glow. Pro tips and safety warnings. Before you run to your kitchen, let's go over some important tips. Always use fresh eggs, preferable organic, for safety and maximum nutrients. Do a patch test first to make sure you are not allergic. Don't leave marks for longer than 15 minutes. They can over-tighten your skin. Use once or twice a week, not daily, to avoid irritation. And of course, if you are allergic to eggs, this remedy isn't for you. So that's the complete guide to using eggs for skincare. Whether it's egg white for firmness and oil control or egg yolk for hydration and anti-aging, eggs are a simple, affordable and powerful natural remedy you can try at home. Now, tell me in the comments, are you team egg white or team egg yolk? Which marks are you excited to try first? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more natural skincare hacks every single week. And remember, your best skincare ingredient might just be waiting for you in the kitchen. Stay glowing and I will see you in the next video. Bye.